Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing the Huawei Band 8 from an Android phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Huawei Health app and tap Devices from the bottom menu bar. On the Devices page, select Huawei Band 8. Tap on the 4 dots button in the top right corner. Choose Unpair device from the menu that appears. Tap Unpair on the pop-up. Your Huawei Band 8 has now been unpaired from your Android phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.